Hi everybody, I'm getting ready to go up on stage to do a demo of this beautiful champagne celebration look that's featured in our fall 12 days lookbook. Let's go.
So this is one of our beautiful fall holiday looks, as Amanda was mentioning, and this is the one that's inspired by holiday celebration, so champagne celebration. So you'll notice that the eye is going to have gold and it's going to be shimmery, and then at the end we're going to have a nice pop of a red lip, so it's a really perfect look that you can customize to your preference and perfect for those holiday parties. So I will say that backstage we went ahead and did her flawless face, and we did her cheek. So for her cheek in the lookbook, it calls for a wineberry blush, contour in cocoa, and then highlighter in honey glow. For her skin tone, I changed it up a little bit. So for her blush, I did Rogue Rose, and then I kept the honey glow highlighter, and then I did the lighter shade for her contour. It's just a tiny bit of contour, just enough, but she already is looking beautiful. And I did this eye over here, so you can kind of see already what half of the look looks like, but we're gonna even her out, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take that gold status, and that's gonna go on the center of her eyelid to the inner corner of the eyelid. Okay, and the next shade I'm going in here with is going to be the burnished bronze. So I'm just going to start also in the center of the lid on top of where I applied that gold status. So it's already really pretty, really shimmery, feels very holiday. Now I'm gonna come in with Cinnabar. I love Cinnabar. It's really good not only for an eyeshadow, but it actually, for some, can be a really pretty eyebrow shade if you wanted to put some in your eyebrows. So with this, I'm going to start at the outer corner. And I love Caitlin, how she's got such a beautiful brow bone here. I'm gonna take it up a little farther just to accentuate that, because it's such a pretty feature on her. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you to look up for me, and that's gonna go down here, just smudging it a little bit under the bottom lash line here. Again, I love this shade on her. She did tell me backstage this is one of her go-to shades, but it's so pretty with her blue eyes. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that light beam, and I'm going to pop that in the inner corner just to really add some additional shimmer. I love light beam. Our liquid eyeshadows, I'm sure most of you, or all of you probably know, these are really great as a primer. So just going to add that here. I'm gonna go back in because I'm seeing I just want to blend those eyeshadows all together a little bit. Can always go back in and touch up as needed. Let's do our waterproof black liquid eyeliner. Okay, so, and you can always bring it further out and do a little cat. And she's got almost like a natural cat-shaped eye, so it's really, really pretty. Love it. So now we're gonna get to that red lip. So I'm gonna go in with my waterproof red liner. This is amazing. Can we all just get a round of applause for our new lip and eyeliners? So I'm going to just draw around her natural lip line. She's also blessed with some really nice lips. Not a lot of work that needs to be done here. So we're gonna add red stiletto on top of it. Like, honestly though, this red lip liner is so pretty, but for today, we're just gonna, on top of that red lip liner, we're gonna add the red stiletto. And let's see, how do we look? I'm just gonna get oh yeah. Let's give her a big round of applause for being our model today. I think this look just I think it just exudes confidence and elegance, and I think even if you wanted to customize a little, change your lip out, I always love to go bold and red for the holidays. And let's take this out so you can just get the final. Yep.
Wow.
Look at her.
She is ready for the runway.
Look at her glow. Thank you so much, Caitlin. We appreciate you. Thanks, everybody.